Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing that I got from Home Depot for a Milwaukee M12 bandsaw, compact bandsaw. So please stick around, check out the video. It's going to be a specs and information video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is going to be the unboxing specs and information video for the M12 cordless subcompact bandsaw by Milwaukee. It is part number 2429-20. It is a bare tool. Grab a knife. Box cutter. We're going to pop it open. We're going to see what came inside. Move this over here. So we have the 2429-20 M12 bandsaw instruction booklet. We have a piece of cardboard that says extreme metal blade. More cuts, less blade changes. Looks like a little pamphlet unless it was a part of a plastic thing. We have an M12 and M18 tool booklet. We have tool, top cover right here has the blade in it. So it does come with a blade. Kind of expecting a we're going to move the box to the side. I have another item right here to open. I was kind of expecting a entry, you know, for that kit. The instructions are completely destroyed. Not really happy that the instructions are destroyed because I do read these. Yeah, it doesn't look like there is a free entry for a t-shirt or the 10-piece combo kit. That's odd. Usually you get one of those codes with every tool. Here's the bandsaw blade. We're going to take this out. I think they only make one style blade for this. I think it's a 12 to 14 TPI blade. Extreme thin metal is what it says on it. I thought it would say what TPI rating. Doesn't look like it does. Slide latch. Okay, should open. Turn it so you guys can see. Here you go. Now it might help if I turn the slide lock at the top. You gotta turn this lock right here. Yeah, that helps. It's been one of those days. Trying to get it in the grooves. Grooves right here. These rollers. Oh, come on. There it goes. Okay. Got it in the rollers. Let's slide it down a little bit. Lock it down. There it goes. Slide latch and slide latch. Okay. That's all done. So it's this little hinge right here. And then you just lock it over. There's a tracking adjustment right here, this little screw. Little tiny screw right here. It says blade track adjustment, see manual. Grab a battery. I have the XC batteries. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to pop a little 2 in here. It has light. You have to push this button in on the side to use it for the trigger to work. Looks like it's tracking too high. It might be tracking too low. Well, it looks like it's tracking properly. I'm going to look at it with the cage open. Let me lift this camera up just a little. There we go. So you guys can see it. Looks like this drum actually has a wobble. I don't know if the other one does. The other drum has a slight wobble. There is a tracking line on the blade now. What looks like a tracking line. See this shiny section? But it's a very nice little bandsaw. I'm going to be using it for like PVC pipe, small 1x1 lumber, stuff like that. Small all thread pipe. And you got the light with the trigger right there. And then I think on this model, I don't think the blade guard right here is adjustable. It doesn't look like it is. It does have screws, but those screws go into the 2 screws on this housing. So I don't think I know on the M18 deep cut it is adjustable. It doesn't look like it's adjustable on this one, which is not a big deal. This does have wobble. So I'll probably have to take it back. Just go to Home Depot and just walk in with it. Say, hey, look, you know, I'm having this issue. The drums are kind of bent. Go from there. But, you know, I don't regret buying it. It's a very nice little bandsaw. It will come in handy for the small things. You're not going to want to use a 5-inch cut depth bandsaw for, you know, all thread. It's just, you know, kind of stupid. You can if you want, but you know, it's a bare tool. I put the blade on. It's nice that it came with a blade. A 3-pack of these blades is only like $24. It's the same price for the deep cut variable speed bandsaw by Milwaukee, the M18. You get a 3-pack for $24 for those blades as well. And you can get them in, for the M18 you can get, I think, 2 or 3 different TPI blades, different size blades. This one I don't think you could get, oh you can, 8 to 10 TPI. 3-pack is 48-39-0601, and a 12 to 14 TPI is 48-39-0611. They also have it, oh, that's for the deep cut. The compact 3-pack for the 8 to 10 is 48-39-0609. And the 12 to 14 TPI for the compact is 48-39-0619. And if you scoot over, it says subcompact. You only have one option for this one model, which is 12 to 14. So the part number for the subcompact 3-pack is 48-39-0711. So I have the deep cut and I have the subcompact. I don't have the compact. I might get the compact. I don't know. You know, it's one of those things. I do know that I need the 5-inch cut depth, and I needed the, you know, the 1 5/8 cut depth. I don't know if I need the, I think the compact is like a 3-inch cut depth, something like that. But you, for the deep cut and the compact models, you can get a 3-pack, a 25-pack, and a 100-pack, both of 8 to 10 TPI and 12 to 14 TPI. So you can get a 3, 25, and a 100-pack. The 3-packs are $24 for a 3-pack. It's not bad. So the blade that this came with is obviously a 12 to 14 TPI because they don't make the 8 to 10 in the M12. So this little sheet is nice. It's helpful. The 12 to 14 TPI says thin metal, and 8 to 10 is thick metal. I believe the M18 deep cut model also has a 16 to 18 TPI, if I remember correctly. But appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Should get the little things I need to do done. Should work out pretty well for what I need it for. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Go check out my Acme Tools affiliate links. And while you're in the description section, check out the DJI Electronics affiliate links. They got some pretty cool stuff going on right now. Appreciate you guys sticking around for the video. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!